Meaning of Hell's Angel.
Hell's Angel.
Hell's Angel.
Hell's Angel.
Hell's Angel. Hell's Angel is a term used to refer to a member of the Hell's Angels Motorcycle Club, a notorious outlaw motorcycle gang founded in California in 1948. The group is known for their involvement in organized crime, drug trafficking, and violence. The term has also been used to describe individuals who live recklessly or engage in dangerous activities. In popular culture, the term has been used in movies, books, and music to depict the stereotype of a rebellious and lawless biker.